What's up guys, Nick here. It's been a little while since I posted my last Mean Streak video. In this video, we're gonna get right to it, install the Viking Saddlebags, and I'm gonna do a quick walk around just to show you the bike if you've not seen my other videos. So I already have one of the bags out right there. Just a little side note, this card right here is from IKEA. It is super handy. I kind of do one of these and move it with me. Okay, so what I've done already is I've taken out all 4 of the fender bolts, okay? You see those right there. And then I've replaced them. This is included with the kit. It is the saddlebag holder. Okay, all this bracket and screws is all included in the kit, as well as some washers. And as you can see, I've basically just replaced the fender bolts with the included hardware that they give you and kind of mocked up where the bag is going to sit flush against the bike. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is line your saddlebag up with the saddlebag brackets. Now, this is easier with a friend, but I don't have friends because I'm too busy making YouTube videos. Just going to do this and see where everything kind of lines up. You don't want it too far. You want to make sure to leave an inch between the exhaust pipe, which is obviously very hot, and the bottom of your bag. And then you don't want them too far back or too far forward. If you have a passenger, you're going to run into the foot peg here, so you want to keep it a little bit farther back. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is pick up your bag, grab your silver Sharpie, or whiteout, whatever you have, and now we're going to basically mark these holes on our saddlebag. Now that you have your holes marked on your bag, I'm going to go ahead and lay your bag flat on a towel so it doesn't scratch. And we are going to drill out our holes. Make sure you hit the middle of your mark. Okay, so the first bag is drilled, which is this bag right here. Here's the bag that has not been drilled yet. I've opened up both of the covers on each side. I've used some clamps to clamp them together. That way I can make an even mark on both of the bags. So when I drill through this one, it's also going to make a mark on this one, and that way I can drill that side as well. I don't know if you can see that because it's dark, but second hole is right over here. First hole is right there. Well guys, here she is. The Viking bags are installed. Overall, this would probably take 2 or 3 hours. Like I said, get a friend, get a buddy, have someone help you. This video is gonna make it obviously seem easier than it is. It was pretty challenging, mounting up the bags and drilling them in right here without a second set of hands. So you can see there's 2 bolts right here, and then these 2 bolts down here are the pre-existing brackets in the back. Down here, get a better view. So those are those brackets right here. Those were done before the bags went up. Once the bags went up, I held them and put a little Loctite on the screw, and then I fed it through. What made this install a little bit difficult is I'm also using the backrest. So not only did it have to go through this chrome accent piece and the frame behind it, but it also had to go through this as well. So that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching. Go ahead and watch more Mean Streak videos at the top right corner. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know if you have any comments down below. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Peace.